Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy way to view only your group boards on Pinterest, using the latest update. If you're someone who collaborates on multiple boards or just wants to keep things organized, this feature is a real time saver. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. This is where all your pins, boards, and activity are neatly organized. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Boards tab and tap on it. This tab displays all the boards you've created or are a part of, but it can get a bit crowded if you have many boards. Now here's the key step. At the top of the Boards section, you'll see a filter option labeled Group. Tap on this filter, and Pinterest will instantly narrow down your view to show only the group boards you're involved in. This means you won't have to scroll through your personal or secret boards to find the ones you collaborate on with others. With this filter applied, managing your group projects, shared interests, or collaborative ideas becomes much simpler. You can quickly jump into any group board to add pins, check updates from your collaborators, or organize content without any distractions. This updated feature is perfect for those who use Pinterest for teamwork, event planning, or even just sharing ideas with friends and family. It streamlines your workflow and keeps your Pinterest experience more focused and efficient. So, to recap, open the Pinterest app, go to your profile, tap on the Boards tab, then tap the Group filter at the top. Instantly, you'll see only your group boards, making it easier than ever to manage your collaborative spaces. Give it a try and enjoy a cleaner, more organized Pinterest profile. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning.